everybody and welcome to this video. In today's video we will be looking at the new numerical grading system. For a number of years, GCSE examinations have been graded using letters A star to G, A star being the highest and G being the lowest, with U or unclassified being awarded to those students who fail. This new system is now being changed to numerical grades. The new system uses numbers 9 to 1, 9 being the highest and 1 being the lowest, and once again U or unclassified being awarded to those who fail. Under the old system there were 8 different grades, whereas there are now 9 different grades under the new system. Ofqual, the official body that sets the grading structure, has published the following information. Grades 4 and higher are equivalent to grade C and above. Grades 7, 8 and 9 are equivalent to your A and A star. The chart on the screen gives you a clearer indication of the conversions from old grades to new grades. As you can see, a 1 is equivalent to a G, a 2 is equivalent to an F, a 3 is equivalent to a D. The government have announced that a grade 4 will be known as a standard pass, which is equivalent to a low C. This is the minimum grade you will need to progress to sixth form or college. However, you will need to check with your school or college, as some will require a higher entry grade. A grade 5 will be considered as a strong pass, a high C, a low B. A grade 5 is intended to act as a benchmark against international standards. A grade 6 is equivalent to a B, a grade 7 is equivalent to an A grade 8 is equivalent to an A star. It is the midpoint between the 7 and the 9. And finally, a grade 9 is equivalent to your A double star. A 9 is the very top grade which will be awarded, and it will be awarded to the highest scoring candidate. It should also be noted that grades 7, 8 and 9 will only be awarded to the top 20% of the country. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you leave. If you found this video helpful and would like more tutorials, then please press the like button and leave a comment down below. Until next time, goodbye.